Good morning, girls. How are you today, girls? Today, inshallah, we will take Unit 12, Lesson 2 in our book, Better English Now. But first of all, we will say the classroom rules. Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. 2, raise your hand to speak. 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Make smart choices, number 4. And number 5, keep your dear teacher happy, okay? First, then we will take dictation time, girls. Then, if I ask you, what's the name of your school? The name of my school is طلائع المبدعات. How many students are there in your school? We have, or there are, 375 students in my school, okay? Which grade are you in this year? This year I am in grade 6. Which grade were you in last year? Last year I was in grade 5, okay? After that, girls, we will answer some questions like this. Number 1, there are some books on the shelf. 2, I need some cucumbers. 3, I don't have any pen. 4, I didn't buy any eggs. 5, I went to the mall and bought some clothes. 6, is there any table in the class? 7, I don't have any friends. Okay? Then, girls, ready to start my lesson? Today, inshallah, we will take Unit 12, Lesson 2, girls. Listen what? Listen to in our book, Better English Now. First of all, last time we talked about the past continuous. The past continuous describes action or events in a time before now and is still going on in the present. How to form the past continuous? We have was. When can I use was? I can use was with I, she, he, and it. After that, I have to add a verb with ing. I was looking for my glasses when my mother called me. Okay? Then, girls, we have where. When can I use where? I have to use where with they, we, and you. They were, we were, and you were. After that, a verb with ing. For example, they were playing tennis when their father came. Okay? Then correct the mistakes. They was waiting for the bus when the accident happened. Of course, they were waiting for the bus. And instead of using was, I have to use were. She were playing with her friends when her mother called her. She was, instead of saying were, okay? Then make yes, no questions. Number 1, she was reading a book when the policeman came. Was she reading a book when the policeman came? Number 2, they were playing basketball when the accident happened. Were they playing basketball when the accident happened? Number 3, he was using computer when his dad called him. Was he using computer when his dad called him? Then use was and were. Number 1, I was playing basketball when my father came. They were sleeping when the telephone rang. She was studying English when the visitors came. Here we have to use was. And number 4, he was jumping when his mom called him. Okay? Now I will start the new words in my lesson today. What can you see here? I can see some candies. So the first word is candies. Candies. What about the second word? The second word here we have a man. He is doing some magic. So the second word is magic. Magic. After that, I will ask you to write the word magic. Then, girls, what can you see here? I can see a man looking for something. So here the verb is look for. Lookfor. Look for. Okay? After that, here we have a verb. What can you see? I can see a man turning on the AC. So the verb here is turn on. What is the opposite of turn on? The opposite of turn on is turn off. Okay? Then you will write the word turn off, turn on. After that, here I can see a woman taking off her blouse. So here we have take off. Take off. Takeoff. Take off. Okay? Then I will ask you to write some sentences on the board. Read and complete. Use the words from the books. We have Candy, happy, magic, looking, and Harriet. Number 1, Linda was very happy. yesterday. She went to the candy shop and bought a magic lollipop. She hurried home with it. Her grandmother was sad. She was looking for her glasses. Linda calmed her down. She told her that she could bring her a new pair of glasses. Linda sat on a cushion and ate a lollipop. She closed her eyes and made two wishes. Her first wish was for a new pair of glasses for her grandmother. Then she wished for a toy for herself. She got the two wishes, sorry, and her grandmother was very happy, okay? Then in pairs ask and answer. Where did Linda go yesterday? What what was her grandmother looking for when Linda came back? How many wishes did Linda want? What was her first wish? What was the second one? Okay, so this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.